Cool. Look. Ça s'attache ici.
Okay, go for it.
Hey guys, it's Cool Kid M, and today I'm gonna be reviewing you on the Indominus Breakout, the 1156 pieces, and let's get building. Sorry, there's a lot of bags. Oh, and I see the Indominus. Indominus, right? This is a lot of bags. I think there's 11 and stickers and instruction book. There's still more. Okay, this side 12. And the last piece. Okay. This is all the pieces. And that's bag one. So, let's get started. This is so cool. That is, look, this is so cool. I've been saving up all my money for this.
Okay. Go.
Okay, so I finished building him. Pretty cool. Now compared to the T-Rex of 2014, and then 2013, look at the jaw level. This is way bigger than T-Rex. Way bigger.
Okay, go. Make them walk.
Ah! Holy cow! It's actually in his mouth. And now we're gonna do bag number 2. Just today. And let's start building. Let's start building. And finishing touches. Okay, now. So this is what bag 1 and 2 combined looks like, with the gyrosphere here, with Jack in it. And then Indominus Rex right here. And even add extra pieces to build this flashlight. This flashlight here. That's it, and now I'm moving on to bag. This will be the other end that will attach to this, and will make this part here. Okay, there's some. That is making up very cool. And there is a sticker that you can put on this. It is this shattered glass here, but I'm gonna put it now. And it's way. Okay, so I'm going on to bag 4, and I'm reminding you that this is Indominus Rex Breakout, 1,156 pieces, and now I'm getting on to bag 4. You're just gonna make this aside if you want. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just gonna position this there. Might go a little faster because this is just a crane that we have to make. Well, I'm gonna get started and see you guys after. Okay, so first the guy that his name is Vet actually. And yeah, no double face. Jack does has one though. He does have one. Have one. It's just a normal crane. And that's it. Okay, so this is the Indominus Rex. I'm right in back of him. Hi. And this is this is the crane that I just built. And this is the Indominus Rex. Pretty cool. And here is the nice rotating crane here that I have. And this is the crane here I just built. And nice rotation. This is Jack here. And it's not Jack but Zach in his gyrosphere. And pretty cool. And now I'm going on to bag 5. It was right. Sorry about that. I got a little clumsy. I'm just gonna rebuild that. Oh, by the way, I didn't show you guys. This is the new lamppost. Goes right here. Okay, so I'm at part number 6 here, and yep, I'm at part number 6. I already tried to build this. I put the sticker on already. There's the tower. And the Indominus who's eating chicken. And there's a vet who has the gun here. And I'm gonna get started building now. See you guys after. I don't really have much to say though.
That's fine. What you just said is exactly what you need to say.
Now we're going on to bag number 7. Okay, so and this is a helicopter. And the ECU pilot. Huh? Okay, so this is the ECU guy. Let me just build him. Okay, this is without the ECU thing. Oh, you're missing his visor here. Nice little printed torso. Has 2 heads, scared head, good head, and now with the protection ACU on thing, the ACU protection. And I think he has a gun.